Look at these crazy cats. I threw a sock on the back of them. They're sock cats. Sock cats walking around with a sock on his back. What a goofy cat. Just strutting around. Being all funny now. Like he's a cool cat with the sock. Look at that, that's funny. There's the sock. Oh, you can't really see it. Crazy goofy cat. What are you doing, Dink? What you gonna do with that cool sock on your back? Look at you, Zelly. You got a sock in your back too. You put it right in the right spot, they can't get it. This is the nicest they've ever been to each other. What are you doing, Dink? What are you doing with that sock on your back still? Are you going to take that thing off yet? Huh? You're just going to wear that sock on your back? Goofball. Think. You ready for Strike Force? Huh? You ready for Strike Force? Huh? Yeah? Ready? Let's hear it. Like, you want Strike Force? Tinker. You want Strike Force? You want Strike Force, Ellie? You want Strike Force, Link? Yeah? You want Strike Force? Huh? Yeah? Okay. You want it? Stinkers. You want Strike Force?